Hi everyone, I hope you're enjoying this J10 course. So I have the opportunity to create some of the first quiz. I'm glad that a lot of students did a very good job. So I'm happy that you actually watch the videos and read the reading that ask you to before you start working on the quizzes. Some students did a pretty excellent job, so congratulations. And also, I had the opportunity to get to know you a little bit, to look at the messenger you share on the discussion board. I'm happy that we have 21 students signed up for this course, and a lot of you coming from very, very different areas. If you're here in the Midwest, make sure you stay warm in these couple of days. I know it's going to be very cold and chilly. We're going to get some snow possibly tomorrow or maybe on Sunday, right? We have seen some students from Connecticut, so hopefully you're staying warm there as well. And we've had our students actually coming from very different backgrounds, have a very, very different interests. So we've seen some students very enjoy winter sport. We've seen some students really enjoy watching soccer. And also we have students from India that really enjoy, watching cricket. So I hope that you guys are able to, contribute to this class, to share with us about your interests, your experiences, and hopefully, we can build up a small community here in this class. Though we only meet with each other online, that we can share more about, things that you would like during this like 3 weeks. The first lecture we talk about the sports organization. So in this short video, I basically will let you know about, so what do you have to do on the lecture 2. In the lecture 2, basically we're going to review some of the traditional management theories, and also we are going to examine how these theories can be applied in the sports industries. So there are 4 main theories we're going to review. So scientific management theories, bureaucratic management theories, human relations movement, sometimes we call humanic management theories, and organizational behaviors. So we're going to look at what the theory is actually talking about and who actually found these theories and how these theories can be utilized in organizing sports organizations. And then we're going to focusing on the 4 different steps of the strategic planning process. So 4 steps, including we start with to develop a vision statement, mission statement, and value statement. We talk about the differences between different statements. And then we will have to conduct environmental analysis to look at what current strategy that we're using as an organization. We conduct SWOT analysis. Some of you should know strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. We're going to identify our competitive strengths and also identify some of the issues that we have to address in the future. Right, and also after we identify some of the issue, we're going to address it in the future. So we based on these issues, we're going to develop goals. So goal need to make sure need to be related to these issues, and then we create objectives as well. And after identifying goal and objective, we're going to create implementations and control strategies. So in the lecture 2, so we're also going to talk about 3 different levels of strategic management that include corporate level strategies, business level strategy, and functional level strategies. So for today's class, in terms of readings, there are 2 different things that you have to read. And the first readings is basically coming from textbook Applying Sport Management Skill. So I hope that you can go and read the chapter 4 and you get to know a little bit more about how we're able to develop strategic plans. And I think they're also talking about 3 different levels of strategic management. So how you be able to get some basic idea about how this strategic plan can be developed. And the second one is about Ohio Athletic Department strategic plan. This strategic plan is going to be really helpful because, as you know, today we're going to talk about the first individual assignment, which is also the only individual assignment that you have to accomplish in this class. So this Ohio Athletic Department strategic plans will give you some idea how you'll be able to write a strategic plans. There are 2 videos I hope that you can watch today. First video is about management theories. We're going to review 4 different management theories, right? And the second video is about develop strategic plans and also the strategic management. So when you're watching these videos, here is the lecture slide I'm sharing with you. So you can go and download the lecture slide. Watching the video at the same time is also looking at the lecture slides. Um, Assignment that you have to complete today, first thing is you have to do the second quiz. I had the opportunity to grade the first quiz. I think the majority of students who had completed the first quiz did excellent jobs. But I would say the second quiz is a little bit challenging, so like particularly those multiple choice questions. It's not going to be very easy for you to complete. You really have to think about it. You really have to go and understand those management theories that we talk about today before start answering these quiz tools. Again, you can use any materials that support you to answer the second quiz. When you complete the second quiz, and you can start also thinking about the first individual assignments that you have to do in this class. So I'm going to spend a little time to talking about these first individual assignments. So for the first individual assignment you have to do is you will have to go and create a strategic plan report for Miami Lighthouse for the 2020, starting from this year to 2023. So this report is really crucial because it will provide direction for the future for the Miami athletic departments. So I hope that you can use the following format to complete a 6-page papers. So for these assignments, you have to do 4 things. So first of all, you have to go and write a vision statement, mission statement, and value statements. Maybe they are vision, missions, value statements existing online. If you want to use current existing one, feel free to use it. But I will strongly encourage you to create a vision statement and mission statement by yourself for athletic departments. And also for the value statements, basically you can just list some of the keywords and then provide little explanations. Right, so that is the first part. Second part I want you to do is conduct a SWOT analysis for the Miami Lighthouse athletic departments. So basically you have to go analysis the strengths of the athletic departments, and weakness, opportunities for growth, and the threats that prevent athletic department from growing in the future. Right, so please go and watch the videos later on and get to know better about how to conduct a SWOT analysis for the athletic departments. So, and also in the second part, I want you to go identify some key of the success factors, including some of the issue and problem that you will have to address. So those maybe at least 2 or 3 problem issues. Those 3 problem issues will be really important because the 3 problem issues will be related to goal and objective that you are going to develop for the organizations. If you find out the current issue for the athletic department, I'll just give you an example, is we don't have a very strong performance in like men's basketball program. So the goal that you would like to develop is how you be able to enhance the competitive levels of the men's basketball programs, right? So make sure those issues you identify and the goal need to be really related. And also you're going to develop 2 goals and also set the related objective. So goal and objective need to be related to issues you mentioned previously, as I explained. And also you have to make sure goal and objective, they are relative. And you have a qualified goal and quantified objective, which means when you are creating objective, you need to use a number, right? When you're creating a goal, you have to write statements. Goal and objective, they are related, right? So it's important. If you're going to watch a video later on, so you will have a better understanding how the goal and objective can be related and how you'll be able to qualify goal and quantify objective. And the last part of this assignment is how that you can go and write implementations and control strategies. So since you already developed your objective, right? So maybe you want men's basketball to improve the like the winning percentage by 20% in the next 3 years, and what will be the strategies, how you'll be able to achieve these goals. Are you going to recruit better players, and how you're going to provide better supports, and which department will be fully responsible for helping them to achieve bigger success in the future. So this is like implementation strategies. Like control strategy is like how you would be able to know you are on the right track because you're developing a plan for not just 1 year but 3 years. what kind of thing do you have to do. So for instance, maybe you would like to you want a coach to conduct like an annual report every season to making sure the men's basketball program is improving, so something like this. Right, so this is what I expect from you to complete this first individual assignment. I hope that you are able to have subtitles when you're creating this individual assignment. So making sure, let me know, okay, this is the first part, vision, mission statement. This is the second part, SWOT analysis. The third part, goal and objective. The last part, strategies, right? So if you have the subtitle, that will make your entire submissions become really well structured and easy for me to follow, and it'll be easy for you to get a good points. This assignment, I want to follow the APA format, so double spaces, 12 point font size, and due date is January 13, Monday. So I think you have about almost 10 days to complete these assignments. So again, I just try to emphasize here, I don't take late assignments, so make sure you're going to submit your assignments before the deadline. I also provide you the rubrics here. So the assignments will be graded based on these 5 areas. So 10 points. I'm going to look at the vision, mission statement, and value that you develop for the athletic departments, whether it's reasonable, it's good ratings. And the second thing I want to look at, 10 points, goes to I hope that you'll be able to understand the current situation of the organization, so you did excellent jobs in this SWOT analysis. 15 points, I'm going to look at the goal and objective you create. Make sure qualify the goal, quantify the objective, right? If you meet this basic requirement, you should be able to get pretty good grade in this part. And the last part is the development, implementation and control strategies. I would like to look at whether the strategy you develop is effective, can help you achieve the goal and objective you develop. And also I'm going to look at 5 points, look at organization and communication. Make sure before you submit your assignment, the assignment is well written, well organized, and make sure it's a perfect one before you submit it to that on the Canvas. So this is the rubric I will be used to grade your assignment. So this is about the first individual assignment. You have about 10 days to work on it. Do you have any other questions? If you have any questions about these first individual assignments, please shoot me an email and let me know. And if you have any other question related to these courses, related to your experience about learning these contents, please also let me know and keep me updated on this. All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this class, and let me know what you want me to do and what you want me to add to these courses. I hope you have a wonderful experience and also have a pretty warm winters. All right, that's it. I will talk with you next time. Bye.